All right, people, welcome once again to our class. We are still exploring Ben and Big Steps. Now, for this class, we'll still read the passage again together. Let's get right into that so that we can get into answering the question or attempting the question attached to this passage. Ben and the Big Steps. Ben is 6. He goes to a new school. The steps to his class are big. Ben looks up. The steps look very, very tall. I can't go up, says Ben. Mom holds his hand. Try one step, she says. Ben puts foot up, then the other foot. Good, says Mom. One more. Ben goes up 2 steps, then 3 steps, then 4 steps. Ben feels happy. Happy means he feels good inside, like when he gets a hug or eats cake. His face has a big smile. I did it, he says. Ben is proud. When you're proud, you feel good about what you did. Your chest feels warm and big, like a balloon. Now Ben goes up the steps every day. He does not need mom to hold his hand. Ben runs up the steps fast. He likes his new school. Ben learned that big things are not so big when you try a little bit at a time. So the question now is, Ben went up the steps one at a time. First 1 step, then 2, then 3, then 4. How many steps did Ben climb in total? Now, you may be thinking that you're supposed to add everything together and say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. You're very wrong. Let me draw a step to give us an idea of what we're facing. Now let's imagine Ben was here at the foot of the stairs. Pardon me, I'm going to use a stick figure. Now the passage says Ben takes 1 step. It goes 1 step, then 2, then 3, then 4. So the question is, how many steps did Ben climb in total? Can you see the answer? It may look a bit tricky, but it's not actually tricky. You're right. Ben climbed 4 steps in total. I hope you're able to get that. All right, let's go to the next one. What was different about how Ben felt at the start of the story and at the end? Let's go to the passage. I will give you some time to look at it. You may pause the video to get a few. Are you done? All right. Now, oh, remember, there is not just one correct answer. There are multiple correct answers here. We have we have this part that says that Ben was afraid of the steps at the first time. Isn't it? I can't go up. That means he was afraid. Then when it was done, it says Ben is proud. From that, we can say that what was different about Ben at the start of the story and at the end? You can say at the start, Let's back up. Let's back up. Because if Ben was afraid at the start, but he became proud at the end. We can even say became proud and happy. Yes, proud and happy at the end. Let's go to the third question. Ben learned that big things are not so big when you try a little bit at a time. Can you think of another big thing that might be easier if you do it in small parts? Are you thinking with me? Are you thinking with me? What are the things you do at home that they look big at first, but when you break them into smaller parts, they become easier to manage? Think. Let's start with putting on your shoes. Right foot first, then left foot second. We can also look at what else? There are so many things to pick from. So many things to pick from. Making your bed. That is another one. Making your bed. So many things to pick from. Do me a favor, add as many as possible in the comment section. Let's see how many things, let's see how many things look so big. So big at first. But when you do them in small parts, they become so easy to do. I'll be expecting you in the comment section. See you in the next class.